Alright, so hari ni hari Isnin 3 bulan 8. Aku dengan Najahan, kita orang akan ride 3 hari 2 malam dekat Cameron Highland. Planning je nak naik Sipapulai Sipapulai sebab kita orang first time naik motor. So nak jalan tapah tu rasa seram-seram. So kita layan Sipapulai lah. Aku vlogging aku tak tahu macam mana. Aku boleh rekod je ni. Nanti aku akan ada benda menarik, aku akan rekod lah. So sekarang pukul 8.50, kita sarapan dah settle. Kita nak bergerak lah. Alright, jom.
Fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards. She says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing, nowhere, ever was that okay.
So kita orang planning nak keluar Sipapulai terus dan cari lunch lah. Lepas lunch baru kita naik atas. Ada beberapa motor juga, bukan kita orang je. Aku rasa diorang pun nak pergi apa nama? Nak pergi Cameron juga. Tengok macam mana lah. Okay, so nak jalan pun. Okay, jalan. Okay.
You cannot reap what you never did sow. You never won't know. In this house of cards.
Kita baru je dapat makan dekat Pak Yop dan Pak Yop Cafe dan restoran. Sedap, not bad. Harga sama macam KL. Kemudian banyak pilihan lah. Paling best banyak pilihan. Sangat banyak pilihan. Macam-macam ada. Ikan bakar, ikan patin, tempoyak, semua ada lah. So kalau korang sementara sebelum naik Sipapulai tu, siapa nak pergi naik Cameron tu, Sipapulai singgah lah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away.
Right. So kita dah check in dekat 7 Days Hotel dekat Berincang Dekat Berincang guys. Tu Central Mall ke sana. So makan malam-malam ke kita pergi ke sana lah. Okay. Standard kalau hotel dekat Canberra ni memang tak ada aircon lah, tapi sejuk je. Okay, kita boleh rehat dulu, petanggang cari something. Satu lagi, dia minta deposit RM50, cuma kena cash. Aduh. So tapi dia sebab dia boleh check in dulu. So aku kena pergi cari, kena keluarkan duit dulu untuk deposit. Nanti lah kita rehat dulu, penat sangat. Okay. Yep. Alright guys, so kita nak pergi cek makan. Planningnya Tokyo Town. Aku tak bawa glove pula, lupa. Uish, ada motor Avantis. Ini motor sewa lah. Alright. So kita dah tidur sekejap tadi, dah makan ringan-ringan tadi. Sekarang kita nak pergi cari dinner lah dekat Tokyo Town. Tengok apa ada. Katanya malam best. Tapi sejuk guys, sangat sejuk. Ya Allah, sejuk hujan. Biasalah aku tak 3 lapis. Tak ada orang. Weh bapa, tak curam sangat je kan. Okey ke kita tekan balik macam ni? Bahaya siap. Right, sampai pun Tokyo Town, kita dah raya-raya dulu lah. Oh, ada Optimus Prime lah. Optimus Prime dekat Jepun. Tak tahu aku. Ini semua nama Tokyo Town. Kantor yang buka. Betah ramai juga orang. Kan? Beyblade. Tu ambil gambar. Gambar. Tapi tu banyak orang pula ini.
Salji yang ada dia.
Pukul 8. Tapi boleh habis kalau kita lapar. Kita makan macam-macam tadi. Right, so kita makan. Dah sampai Jepun, kita makan makanan Jepun lah. Ni chicken katsudon. Chicken katsudon basically chicken katsu dengan nasi lah, dengan sayur. Sedap. Not bad lah. Dah kita 2 jam lebih lah dekat Tokyo Town ni. Apa yang bestnya, tak ada best sangat pun. Tapi yang aku tak puas hati, kenapa lagu Kush Hotai? Sebab kat Jepun kan. Jawab kan, sabar, aku nak buka map. Tapi okey lah, makanan tadi kita makan memang sedap. Not bad, tak terus sangat. Kita bawa balik sikit barang. Kau ikat kan? Tak ikat. So kita 3 hari 2 malam dekat kamera ni. So banyak aktiviti lah boleh buat. Tak rushing, yes. Tak rushing, Najah kata tak rushing. So sebelum ni kita selalu 2 hari. 2 hari ni kita macam-macam nak pergi. Cepat-cepat kan. Tapi malam sejuk guys. Sejuk kau-kau weh. Betul, kena ikat, tak nak bagi angin masuk. Ini 2 way ke 1 way? 2 way. Dia pecah lah.